Hi, today I'm finally making my zucchini salad. I'm picking the tomatoes from the garden, the container garden that we've been watching grow, and so I have a few tomatoes here. I also have zucchini that I'm picking, and I'm super excited about this salad. You can see here I have some small zucchini and cherry tomatoes. I have one little larger tomato there. And I'm cutting some of my, oregano. I didn't quite cut that correctly, but I'm cutting some of my oregano. Oops, that. I have to wash all of this so that I can make a salad. And so it's going to be a zucchini salad. And I'm going to use my oregano. I'm going to also cut a little bit of basil. So this is the first sort of yield for my summer salads. And so this is going to be a zucchini salad. It has cherry tomatoes and fresh herbs, but I'm just washing them off because I want to make sure I have them as clean as possible. Now I'm back in and I have all of the ingredients for my salad. I've also cut up a quarter cup of red onion, and I like some garlic, so I'm going to add the garlic. The zucchini is washed and I'm slicing it, and because it's so small, I'm going to slice it very thinly so that it will be very easy to eat. I'm then going to cut up my basil. And so I had a nice handful, and so I just chopped that very small. And it may seem like I have a lot of herbs, but essentially the herbs are so light that you do need more to sort of make the salad flavorful. So I've also cut up my oregano, chopped it fine, and all of my ingredients are going to be added to a salad. Now, this is really enough for the two of us, for me and my husband to eat, and a small side salad. I add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And so again, just basically just a little pinch of salt, not too much to overpower the vegetables. I add just a little bit of Italian dressing, and I'm tossing this wonderful salad. After just a little bit of tossing, it's ready to serve. This is so incredible and so fresh. All of these things I've just picked out of my garden in the last 5 minutes, tossed them with some of my favorite salad dressing and a little bit of salt and pepper, and it's just fresh and incredible.